attention in the pits. You got about 15 minutes for any fuel or nitrous. 15 minutes for any fuel or nitrous. Fuel or nitrous.
Oh shit! Look out.
15 minutes.
Now we got about 12 minutes.
For any fuel or nitrous.
12 minutes.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Man, he got that juice potent on there, y'all. He got that juice potent on there, y'all. 15 minutes for any fuel or nitrous. Can't go against moonshine like that.
How we had him.
We thought they had him. Get back with my baby. Jeff, what's up with it, man? Somebody type it for him because he can't hear it. Hey, look at y'all on my YouTube channel. Mira. No English? No. Suscríbete, look at racing in YouTube. Dale me gusta, dale me like. Already, see? Hey, huh? Sí, YouTube, sí. Sí, dale. Hey, yeah, that's me. Appreciate it, man. He on there. Already, they on there, y'all. He thought he was finna get away with that no English. Boy, I got something for you. Dale way. Is this thing finna do something this time or what, y'all? Leave like that, he might have some. It will not let him leave. They already done Dale. Hey, you on my YouTube channel?
What's up? Hey, yes, sir.
You already on there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, bet. They already on there.
Yeah,
hey, tu Theo, you the Theo, you on there?
That's Cuba.
Cuba? Hey, Cuba, I need you on there, man. Dale me gusta in YouTube. Look out racing. Suscríbete. Yeah. Dale me like. Dale. Mira. Yeah, I got all your excuses ready. Mira. Already. What's that, Bud Ice? Sorpresa? Okay. It's going on. Already. It's going down. Dallas, Texas. Woo! Yeah. Oh shit, this little thing look a little out of control. Oh yeah, dude, just got it out of the shop. We're going ahead and get in the data log right now. My buddy just charged me about 450 bucks for a tune. Yeah, we're gonna make sure this thing is all right, man. We freaking had to cut a hole in the hood in order to get the turbo in order to spool off. Alrighty guys, we got that 4-wheel drive. Slicks on the front, Mitsubishi. Ooh, damn. Oh man. His fire come out so hot, he be burning his windshield. I seen his windshield fogged up. Come on, baby, please. Come on, baby. It's finna crank, y'all. Come on, please, baby. Is that us, son? Oh, there it go. Is this him? Is this that car we seen on 13th? No, this ain't it. Us, son, or something like that.
Your truck. Someone's gonna move it for you. You are in the way of a trailer. 30 boy. Pickup truck with the name 30 boy on the windshield. Move your truck, it'll be moved for you.
Oh, that's us, son? Look like us, son. Okay. Man, Street Racing Source talking about that's him. Is that him? Tell him I'm a fan. I like how I like to see people that got these kind of cars drag race people with muscle cars. I like to see a good race. I don't want everybody picking one side. Damn! The hell kind of traction he got?